on the 21st. My scales are sort of playing up. So let's put him on and see what he weighs now. 337, that said. It says my battery's low, but I've only just put the battery in. So, oh, that's not working, is it now? Come on, little one, let's try to do this. So, 334. 334 he is. So we'll write that one down. And that's him. And now we're going to worm him. He was born on the 21st. So we know, there's Mummy. Oh, look at him walking. Excuse me, Mummy, got worming. He's off, he's taking off. So he's got a 0.5. If Mummy will let me do this. So we get little baby. And here we will 0.5. No, he's not going to like this. There you go. I know you spilt a bit, haven't you? So I'll give you a little drop more and then that should do it. But you're having it for 3 days, so there you are, a little bit more. So that is kitten number 1 done. Kitten number 1. Swipe his little mouth. There you go. And your mummy might let that off for you. Won't she? Hey, yes she will. Okay, so let's move on to kitten number 2. This is little black smoke fella. Hello. Right, let's see what you weigh. I've got right ears down. Where's my pen? He was 337. Hang on. So now we're on to him, and he is. It's on naught. Oh, these scales are rubbish. I don't know what's up with them. So he was 340. These scales are rubbish, aren't they, Duck? I know. So he was, let's try again. No, it keeps going low. No, this is going to take all night. No, he's more than that. It's not helping because they're getting bigger as well and they're moving. We're going to have to buy some different scales. Right, let's try this. Stay. Here's 359. Oh, I don't know if you got that. 359. So let's give you your 0.5 mil worm it. There you go. Right, you ready? I know it's knacky, isn't it? I know. There's his first wormy. I know, not very nice, is it? I know, not very nice. There you go. Wipe your little mouthy. There we go. Mummy may let that off for you, duck. So now if we have time for because it's depending on whether my video will last out. Here's a little grey boy, picked, I think he's one of the biggest. He's no collie. So we'll put him on the scales. He's one of my big males. He's 405. Right, let's give you yeah. I know. Shh. Come on. You're a big boy, aren't you? There you go. There you go. You go back with Mummy. No, this is little green collie. I don't think he's that big. Little green collie. Let's see what you are, little green collie. 394. 394. Green collie. Green collie. Right, let's give you worm, a little green collie. Yes, Mummy, I'm just worming your babies. Oh, this one's stubborn. There you go, in it goes. In it goes. There you go. So that's green collie, no collie. Little blue collie. $376. Blue. Come here. Oh, you didn't like that, did you? Gotta have a little bit more. No, he didn't like that at all. So that's blue, green, no collar. So there's just black collar, and then there's my girl. So that's him. He's 363. 363 black. 363 black. $363 black. Oh, none of you like this, Steve. It's got to be done. Sorry, this has got to be done 3 days in a trot. Not very nice for him. So there's you. Now there's just my girl now. So where's she? She's here. It's my girl. So she is 371. Last one. And I'll leave you all alone. Oh, she's trouble. She's trouble. Come here. Oh, this one's feisty. No, you gotta have it, mate. Come here. No. Whoa. My girl's feisty. Oh, I didn't like that. I didn't like that one at all. See, the thing is, this is the first time they've been wormed. So, once they get the flaming idea, it gets worse. Say bye-bye, Smokey. There's you. You're beautiful. And where's Black Smoke? Where's Black Smoke gone? Oh, he's too cough. No, that's the girl. Where'd he go? Is he feeding? I had him a minute ago. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He's here. He's here. Okay, say bye-bye, everybody. Say bye-bye. Don't know if you can see them all in there. Bye-bye.